Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. This is video number 5 about HCF and LCM of numbers with different type of problems in the short trick method. This is most useful for all type of competitive exams like bank POs, clerks, RRB, NTPC, LIC AOs, state level group 1, group 2 and sub inspector of police etc. Keep on watching, don't miss the video till the end, that will helpful for you. If you need of interesting such videos, then please subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. Don't forget like and comment. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Let us see question number 1. Two numbers are in the ratio 15:11. If their HCF is 13, find the numbers. Options are A 113, 185, B 143, 195, C 134, 165, D 165, 113. So here given HCF of two numbers is given 13 and the ratio of two numbers also given. So given HCF. So HCF means common one, we are taking A, that is 13. So ratio of two numbers equal 15:11. This is given. So the numbers equal, so 15A comma 15B you can, 15A comma 11A you can take. So both are having the HCF. HCF means common one we are taking. That common one we took A. So HCF of the two numbers it is given by 13 is given. So A equal 13 means 15 into 13 comma 11 into 13. 15 into 13 that is 195. 11 into 13 that is 143. So the two numbers are 195 comma 143. 195 143 means that option B is correct. Option B is correct. Next, question number 2. The product of two numbers is 4107. If the HCF of these numbers is 37, then the greater number is, greater number we need to find. HCF of two numbers is 37. So we don't know the numbers. That we don't know the numbers means that numbers we are taking as 37A comma 37B we are taking. So HCF it is given, HCF equal 37 is given. The numbers, this is left only 37A comma 37B. So one more clue also given, the product of two numbers. Product of two numbers if is given by 107. So product means these two numbers product only we need to take. 37A into 37B equal 4107. This 37 you can transpose A into B equal 4107 by 37 into 37. 37 ones are 37, 4 remained, 37 ones are 37, 3 remained, 37 ones are 37. Again 37 3s are, you can check it. So 37 3s are 111. So A into B equal 3 we got it. So the values of the product of the co-primes equal. So this three how we have to write it? 1 into 3 we can write, 3 into 1 also we can write. So here possible values of A and B we got it here. A value we got it 1, A equal to 1 and B equal to 3 we got it. So A equal to 1 we are substituting here 37 into 1 and 37 into 3, that equals 37 into 1, that is 37. 37 into 3 is 111. So 111 means the greatest number is here 111. Option C is correct. Next, question number 3. The product of two numbers is 2028 and their HCF is 13. The number of such pairs A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. So here HCF also given. So HCF it is 13 is given. So the two numbers we are taking 13A and 13B we are taking. The two numbers we are taking as 13A comma 13B we are taking. Product of two numbers is 2028. Product also given. Product 2028. So product means these two numbers product only. 13A into 13B equal 2028. 13 table 2. 13 1s are 7. 13 5s are and 13 6s are. 13 1s are 13. 13 2s are. So A into B equal 12. So A into B equal to 12 means the values of co-primes of the product 12. So only we need to take the co-primes only we need to take. So 1 in this product, how we have to write it? So co-primes type 1 into 12 we can write it, 2 into 6 we can write, 3 into 4 and 4 into 3, like this reverse order also. But here 1 and 12 we are getting the HCF is 1, means it is the co-prime numbers. 2 and 6, so we are getting the HCF is 2. So the numbers are having the HCF is 1 means that is the co-primes, means it is not suit. And 3 and 4, 3 4s are 12. So we are getting the HCF is 1. HCF is 1 means we are getting it is also correct only. So how many pairs we got it here? We got 2 pairs. 2 pairs means that option B is correct. Next, question number 4. The LCM of two numbers is 48. The numbers are in the ratio 2:3. The sum of the numbers options are A 28, B 22, C 64, D 40. So here for us given ratio of numbers is given, LCM also given. So ratio of two numbers, ratio equal 2:3 is given. So ratio equal 2:3 means we need to take the numbers we have to take. So let the numbers equal 2A comma 3A we can get. 2A and 3A, this is left only. So this LCM of 2A and 3A, LCM of 2A and 3A, that equal 2 into 3 into A, that equal 6A we can get. So according to the problem, the LCM of two numbers is 48 is given. So LCM equal given 48. So LCM we got it here 2 into 3 into A equal 48. 2 3s are 6. 6 8s are 48. So A value we got it here, 8 we got it. So A value you can substitute here, we are getting the numbers. So therefore the numbers equal 2 into 8 comma 3 into 8, that is 2 into 8 16, 3 8 is 24. So here for us what they asked, sum of the numbers they asked. Sum of the numbers means you can take the sum. So 16 plus 24, that is 40. So that is 40 means option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next, question number 5. 3 numbers are in the ratio 3:4:5 and their LCM is 2400. Then their HCF is options A 40, B 80, C 120, D 200. So now here given the ratio is given, ratio of three numbers here. So that equal 3:4:5. The numbers equal, let the numbers, this is the let, numbers equal 3a comma 4a comma 5a. Now LCM we have to take the numbers of 3a, 4a and 5a. LCM of 3a comma 4a comma 5a equal, so 3 into 4 into 5 into a is common, that one time only we need to take. Here according to the problem for us given, LCM of the numbers is 2400. So given LCM equal 2400. So LCM we got it here, 3 into 4 into 5 into a equal 2400. Now you can cancel 5 ones are 5 fours are 20, 5 eights are 40, 0. Now 4 table time cutting, 4 12s are 48, 0. 3 ones are 3 40s are. So a equal 40. So a value you can substitute here. Therefore the numbers equal 3 into a value is 40 and 4 into 40 and 5 into 40. In this 3 into 40, 4 into 40, 5 into 40. So in these three numbers in, which one is common? Here 40, 40, 40. So 40 is common. 40 is common means that is the HCF only now. So HCF of the three numbers equal to 40. So 40 means in this option A is correct. Next, question number 6. The sum of two numbers is 2000 and their LCM is 21,879. Then two numbers are, options are 1993, 7, B 1991, 7, C 1989, 11, 1982, 13. So here for us given sum of two numbers is 2000 is given. So sum of two numbers you have to take, sum equal 2000. So one number I am taking, A I am taking. So what about other number? Other number equal 2000 minus A we can get. 2000 minus A. Here first given sum of two numbers is 2000 and their LCM is given. So LCM. So these two numbers LCM. So LCM of A comma 2000 minus A. So what we are getting, that one only we can get. A of 2000 minus A we are getting. But here for us given what is given? LCM is given. So given LCM equal 21,879. So we got here LCM A of 2000 minus A equal 21,879. So A into 2000, 2000A minus A into A square equal 21,879. This all terms you have to transpose. A square minus 2000A plus 21,879 equal 0. It is the quadratic one. Quadratic one you have to take the factors you have to take. So we need 2000 we need. 2000 means here from options 2 you have to take. If we can add this to both, we are getting 2000. So if we are adding this both, we are not getting 2000. Means it is, you can leave it. So you can add this both, you can leave it. You can add this both, we are getting. But here which one we have to choose? 1993 into 7. 7 3s are 21, but here 9 it is there. 1989 into 11. 11 9s are 99. Units place we are getting. Means this one you have to take it. So A square. I will say simple method also. Without the calculation only we can identify the answer also. That one also I will explain after that. So that one a square minus 18, 89a minus 11a plus 21,879 equal to 0. So here we are taking a as a common means a minus 1989 minus 11 we are taking common means a minus 1989 equal to 0. Now you can write the 0 is individually a minus 1989 equal to 0, a minus 11 equal to 0. This is why I took the common. So a equal 1989 and a equal to 11. So option C is correct. So without this process also we can do the answer. How it is? See here. Sum of two numbers is 2000. So 1993 plus 7 is 2000. 1991 plus 7 is not the 2000. It is 98 we are getting. So this both we are adding also we are getting 2000. This both we can't get. Means these two options are deleted. Now we have A and C options only we have. But here which option is correct? A or C? So A or C how we have to identify means. So the LCM is 21,879. Units place is 9. Units place is 9. So just 9, 7 into 3 you can multiply. 7 into 3 that is 21. We are getting the units place is 1. Means it is wrong. Next this one you have to check it. 11 9 are 99. Means that units place we are getting 9. Means this C option is correct. We will discuss most important and different problems in the next video. When you will practice more and more, you can get the concepts easily. I hope you are enjoyed this session and this session is very helpful for you. Don't forget, like and comment. We will meet in the next video with a different type of problems. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.